Hey, and now what's the Enka Eddie Free? Our first question for the weekend. Where are you tuned in from? Where are you watching us from? DL 106.9, home of legends and great music. Everyone had drive and they fear that Friday edition. Thank God it's Friday. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for staying tuned in. Blessings and blessings on you. And once again, to our taxi drivers, to our U-turn bus drivers, our cho-cho drivers, and all our riders, pedestrians and passengers. Yeah, can I say, Yamamwa Kwaba. Exactly 5 p.m. The time checked in the studio. We're transmitting live from Aboba, North Legon, right opposite Wisconsin International University. The name still remains Silva Lady SL of DL. Producer Kofi Taylor. DJ Afiba is our DJ. Yeah, quite so hard. Tinata Sahara Shade DJ Mario Sujin Moro Shade hand. And of course, to our external executive producers, those listening to us right about now. Yes, we appreciate the love. God bless you guys. Now, what we want you to do again is to send us a message. Let us know where you are tuned in from, where you're listening to us from. Okay. And have a Facebook Live. I'm a who will get to a ship. Area, Ekasa, another shifter. Another retain here is this way. But Mazana drop that. They for shouts, they from Bonraho. They in Chichian. It's a Friday. Now, all the Fridays so that anything can happen. Now, to all those celebrating your birthdays today, we say happy birthday. God bless you. And to those celebrating your Sunday, I mean the Friday boss. Man like Kofi Taylor. If you're sugar, them snake. And they wanted that we celebrate you guys today. And of one day, more than any other one day, more crowd. And if I trouble more than I send the detail to my 0593 406565. 0593-406565. And then so your anniversary at my Bema. The great Swiafe. The great Swiafe. And then Ayon and the wife. On my anniversary. Happy anniversary to you, the great Swiafe. What the wifey. Yeah, Mama Chinkwa Anne. Together forever. Forever to go. I'm a soldier, one man soldier, soldier. I'm a soldier, one man soldier, soldier. Because why you see me did. And yeah, what crowd that? Yeah, my chinkwa. Hey, what that? Hey, what that? A special personality and anyway. But and then what you see since your discovery guest, and anyway. And check your body and come on. Now, my man found call Amax Global Link home. Me fa wonko Emax Global Link me nua buyer and now ye discover no so tutu kwan sa me asem no de na mu no de adwuma ye nwum so adwuma no de na mu sa akwanto e yade ebie nipa adwe akwanto yade a ebie nipa ni akwanto yade a esan so eboa e ma wo ye exposed to the outside world. Ebua kra ma wotimi wadwen nankasa kra no etimi ye sharp ane exercise for the brain because we too kwan na huhum me afoforo ne nature ne ade no a refresh system no a refresh your brain according to the yo some kayen na ya na dos up and down na woman na ya na ha je empem bebre na obi mpeso betu kwa because akwaje visa na akwaye we o answer question we ni ade na ya na ye bebre eno nti na Amax Global Link wa ha sa up and down na obeye ne said e ho betro na wani nje na afi na ma ade no kwate wani so Amax say ono ade betro ne ho so na wa ye ni na e de amount wo de ane say aye ready na chese ya to nyoma nyina de ama wo na wo kra ne sa Emax Global Link Limited, your number one trusted travel agency. And him for now person or call my bank so now person question there. Or share or partner. Bo hodom one the main purpose in church to kind so or call her say that should be obeying the crew and the year. Oh yes, anything can happen. What I say and say be an hour so no what is idea who no. Bomade ya won Emax Global Link in Casa. Ebi ana wokwa kwasa we busua. Ebi ebusua na the kind that our person kwasa mo. Ebi nso ana edwuma na de wo ko. Me pacho up and down in na ma Emax in your mouth. For Emax, it was 0535 502499. 0535 502499. New Zealand, Mexico, Brazil. Say your wife, say your midwife, and now yeah. So your nurse, say your pharmacist, lab technician, public health worker, dentist, and a consultant. Me pacho work visa assistance, or study visa assistance in a Bay Adwoa. After a permanent resident application assistance, citizenship application assistance through marriage or adoption. Now flight reservations and sales, hotel reservations and sales. Now so general travel advice there. My number one trusted travel agency, Emax Global Link, Enfanina, Enfamao. Wager White Cross, West Africa Deco Tiles, Nadian Moshe. Kaswa Quantum Point, so you do Kumasi and stuff, your state office no, and a DNA motion. Now, once again, let us give the number to you so you give them a call right away 0535 502499, 0535 502499, and 0504 203401. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic. Yeah, do much idea. And it's a year boy, my was a view. It will be a stroke. I come out to them. Them I want to be in our 9 so young men. Say more bass. I say, hold on, Munko ye. Time I will need that so. Asa. I worry and him now. Wouldn't any JB our bravo. The patro ye boy. Yeah, do much idea. And say, you better see wall. Vaginal exclusive semen. No, ye be wa ha. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services or Sabema at the end of my hat. Triana Trico. Irana, Yera won some. The patro Modiana Brian Fa, a draw and count. Sound so and a band stroke. You're miraculously far. Dr. Grace Boyd to become out what to walk. Say and can't free with 3 copy money as a Yaribiara, a hinta, won't that and who the away. Let me to a sieno. Then you boy to a said the amount. Who must show him school junction of Barakesi Road now behind your headquarters now. And a hands up and our bar. Yeah, boajo what's na ha. Ya share we you and the DM wants to know up and down away. You be a crowd the the general public. Go per drink piano, go per BB. Go back your headquarters has here. It was special snack bar. Bet me about our baby today. Press 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 and 0543 320030 0543 320030. Yeah, you Monday to Sunday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Dr. Grace Boyd say on Sunday after but Modiana Brana yen shell. You doing crying a new Achimota Petroleum Bungalow. New Achimota Petroleum Bungalow. Your family life international school and a DNA Moshe. My rent free say bronya in so there. And one a corner pure coconut oil. Bronya way and one a the Adrian and one a yedi and one a dated share and also nam pomodeno benya womo. And I said, "Whoa, ba." Now about did you maybe bring your brain more? And I said, "Whoa, Baba Tomby, we know one from Badiel, the answer what from a final. But just on the in our brain, and I am who the room from our sound, so and I'll do me dinner will be dinner for Brand. I am who the room out. The marketing team now ready. I bring your brain now. Yeah, train one anyway, dink it at home. Freya and cry. I bet me a Bob Pin. The Yanka say, I know about Bedin Comono. You know about your business, no. Marketing team say your desk, no. We are 247 active. Give us a call for advertisements, for preaching. 31st night, ABR service, 1 person more broadcasting live or deal 106.9. And I say announcements with our person, you say be a funeral announcement. And I say watch night announcement, and our story announcement, and our program announcement. I said earlier on. Omodiana on here, because give us a call 0574 986818 0574 9898 68 68 and a 18 18 and a 0531 69 8307 0531 69 8307 and time so ana ye bebe wo na ya ye adwuma no kama ye di ama wo penipa make us make us say the taxi driver be we so bon ya ka sama chese ye ntie nwum life is a wild carnival kafra you are an emotion umpomodin ti da make us say you me do umpomodin ti da make us say e bia na the holding what's nasia one nantimu a we see ebinum ana wo peke adofo bi passengers no ebi si from na ebi nso from enti wo ankasa mu driver na ankasa kra wo nya ho kra ensi from so say wo tena ase no pay in fact ahomachi wo nya ntwa wo ho kra akonwa ne mu ana wo te eyesa nso ana de sisie mu oha na de brɛ so sisi no nso say de oha na e ba na ekwa akogina be ma wo ho ha owe no wo ho be ma oye be ma no wo ho na no nso kwa akogina na no nso de oha ba beto so Big Dank Healthcare is a main show say ekobano bema wo bema no ho nsem kan aha prostate no ho nsem kan na fe ekoba kidney and liver ho so ensem a bomode ya na fa wani ekire ya so ye ha na yen de yen nanfofo any with kidneys and with liver no the specialist is here or you available at the mouth nti ekoba no say hepatitis na tete wo high cholesterol and I said diabetes and na e hawa bomode ya fa wani che Dr. Victor Nana na so ye Big Dank Healthcare for your kidney and liver problems ni na ya menam doctor so bejo the UN in collaboration with Highstone International University Texas Omabo Modinya Bonabaso as the icon and doctor of peace corporate governance. Big Dank Healthcare Juma Monday through to Saturday. Yes say ye train one ya boa ashama with kidneys and will liver no aye very healthy. Kidney stones, hypertension, protein in urine, fatty liver, hydronephrosis, pyelonephritis, Nina, Yebebwa na ye free was so. Enumere, Spinkters Road, Coca-Cola, behind the Standard Chartered Bank. Spinkters Road, Coca-Cola, behind the Standard Chartered Bank. Na Freya 0549 95 1211 0549 95 1211 and at 0502 66 1346 0502 66 1346. Afe, what do I say there? Do you have peace of mind? The only peace of mind that makes me a capacity about who you say be a what I can't so. There was a okotia. Eh, and no, you can't pass and na. We had then when we drew cry, drew better than crying it out. Because I dream baby and then Namano. Okata when you cry and one can say baby. I dream what the hopper, but I dream the air. That is what is happening. We think we are sleeping, but in fact, what didn't that honeymoon? But I dream and casa the intimate night. You are restless because of a dying of I feel not science to be able. But so in December, you could yes. Obi calculations or your yes is me patch up and non see and a potential real estate to ha. Yeah, boy, I'm when your baby do theater. I was so much potential real estate. I say, my young boy, na yama baby, I will better. That's here and ne. How I feel. Yes, 2023. I say, mother. Yeah, we are not sometime. They do. I say, gra and the moon some can ye crop just a chocolate and yes, 8 December. I'm a soldier. Bro, your boss on that also watch. And kakra December no crash and 1 week I betray go. Hey, Bushia. Enti asase no ye kasa ye nto bi na ye nteche waso ase na to susu no de bomode ya na woni potential real estate in kasa give us a call na 30,000 Ghana cedis wo to susu na obetumi ya 15,000 wo to susu a obetumi ato medo 10,000 wo to susu a obetumi ato say o ma wo ho say 3-6 months po na watch po na wo tria 50 Ghana say dey bia 10 cedis 5 cedis po na wo to susu na oh you can do it and na wo awoje bo so me akatua e bia 5,000 e bia 6,000 e bia 10,000 oh eye den yara expenses na dey wo ho but don't forget so when you are saying now when you baby I do to better for the rest of your life you have your peace of mind medo for my home na from only on kasa 0541 196364 0541 196364 0242 36 52 28 0242 36 52 28 pim dummy sorry Nabusuya didia me ho atomi eni abusuya enya baby wonu muti to a sha wasumu adwo potential real estate will be sure come quantipoye so yeah adjacent to Laco police station right adjacent to Laco police station your trusted partner in land sales we are still calling and star guest artist discovery guest artist so we do have but we have and komo kakre was say could you give us in chamber into my yanko give us as yembra but our message then in my about more than for my 0593 406565 0593 406565 or message Jenny Maya please drop it now audio no Maya drop it now na ye twem wo hwa ye nsan ba ye chibi so we're live on Facebook DLFM 106.9 capital DLFM 106.9 wait me a join here ho so by live stream na say na wa drop a message no drop wo ho oh my ye hunu baby a wo tie yen efri weekend my ye hunu baby a wo tie yen edifri any baby a wo so wo hwe Silva Lady SL e wo DL 106.9 wo hwe me edifri my ye hunu ne sisi a drop it right now bra one hene we duru ha bra one hene watena se bra na no one hene bra na no one hene it's saying bra na no one
sister na
Branda no one hene.
Life is a word you know. SL on dear.
Panono. Panono.
Yes.
Now give us a word what to say.
About your hoye.
Doctor hoye.
Doctor hoye. Na no me menda kwasida no na ye memorial service means say ye bibia. Yeah doctor da manfo ase. Na ye bedi bronya. Until you do Sabre ya na ye efiesie ho asam and until give us clean care no an ye bo ho de wu se wa wo nyanya bi ade betwitwu tiles so wa wadwade ye bi onom kra wo bewura fi ono tiles na wo ho nso apopo bibira wo tiles no entamu ho no no ya na ano odene enti mesere wa afre sa ahoma ya wo tie sesi ade mebo ya sa wonsa ka sa ahoma ya wo de frɛ ye be kire oba bi abenya give us clean care no products ni nyina bia to 0501 556828 0501 556828 okomo ahodo a eben obia supermarket bi eben wo ene shops akese ni nyina obenya give us clean care product ni ebi ewo ho na ni di clean care product esan se eboa siesie fie eboa siesie ntade eboa siesie enchanse a yedidi muomu ene eboa nso siesie ye mpotamu ahodo nyina eno nti mamenka nche se wankasa wo tiles no a ewo wo dem wo ewo fie eso ayeye natia wo hia give us clean care ye wo ba ko wo ho a eno no de fra ensu a na wo de mob tiles ni so enyina enti wo de mob no atu mu a na wachi mu se de ye no no a obi wa bi kra mob no oni bi ofie entomago a wode epepe patals na eso no give us clean care so dru eye Malcolm ne malls ahodo no a wo se wo pede de etwitwi tiles so no de paper tiles so ma eye oil bi e wo so nyina efiri honom no na won sa kan de oso ye ne se wo sa nsuo kakra se de ya kire wo no a na wo de gumu a na wakanum kakra nti eno a efa ye no a na wo de adekro no abom na wa hyase wo chi mu na de pepa wo de pepa ebi honom kra wo be pepa be wie no na enka bi ewo ehonom na nso give us clean care product ne de wo de pepa wo de mu a ema new fragrance ema enka foforo a eno no ebema obia ewo wo dan chi kra wo timete ye wo bi nso wo honom a ye de si niema unse nkwada niema ne ya ne yese fragrance bi wo no ma se wo nkwada ne niema ni mu a ano ye dene a na akwada no ni tiri epa no no anya code no anya kata give us clean care product no de de si nkwada niema ne de eno wo de gu ensuo num na de akwada akoro no se agyanan ne wom se adwonso ene wom a wo de nu ensuo num na wo yi oposa ne kakra bi a bonse ani ate enka no ehwam no a eba no ano enye dene se bema akwada ne ti apai no komo obi eben wo ena afei wudru eye Malcolm bi eben wo ni supermarket kese bi eben wo also pe give us clean care product de ye de si nkwada niema no na no kwasem ba ko ne se eno nso no ye wo bi onso a ye de si niema ankasa ya empani niema nyina ye de si enka ne ne si niema ani ya hye blue ene blue ni hye no ye jai sanse give us clean care products no ba ko bi aba no a eno no enioma no se ye fufuo na ani aye fi sede kora wodi gu nsuo no na wode atade no enum a ebetu ni nyina afiri mo edumere bi nso abi wa watade no eye kokko eye tuntum eye fufuo eye kala ahodo ni nyina ebi ntina bibi akam wonya give us clean care products no de ye de eyi firi atade mu no a wodi gu so a emfa won ne kala enya de se ebetu ade afiri mu ebema emumum aye hwam na de ye fufuo no nso de so de give us clean care product no esia bohunu se eni be ye fine kama fufuo a ebe hyerɛn te se nsoroma ete se enkane no a ne ye hye ye ntade ebulu no ene wo kohye bulu a ebetutu akam ene wo kohye starch as a starch hye no kura ye jai ahunti kope give us clean care product ne bi na fasiesie ofie fasi wo niema na awia boso a empai enye hoya ase sukyerema na mese frɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 0501 556828 0501 556828 wonya bi to wi a na wo frɛ number no a ye bɛkyerɛ wo sɛ de obeyusu no na aye kama hwɛ afi ba bɛso ana buru nya bɛbɛyi adɔfo obetu kwa akomea me ahodo amanfo nkɔfo kwa akɔsrasra wom nanso agya nan no so enye wodie no so flash a na agya enka bi ewakyire enye nka no kora mpo a bonsesa dwonso kora na obedwonso ade agu eye WC no mu a o flash abonse agya max ewo mu ekyere se problem bi aba saa eye ade no asabi uju ana adwonso gumu no emu wonya give us clean care product no ebi na se wohwie edi gumu a me se ebema emu no nyina ayi efin bia da aye nkokɔ a ewomuo ene ba bi efin bia tete bia no ebeboa ayi ni nyina na wa flash ama edenka foforo edi abrɛw na obi obewura wadwa aye nso na se odi give us clean care product ena atwitwi adwaye ho nso a enka wo bɛte no ebema da bia nani agye entena honom ema o glass ho enye nati entena ma wo pon so enye basa enu ntia suku fo ewuranom ya mo ankasa mabie suku a muhia nkrofo se won pepepa mo offices ne ade emfama mo nso amaye companies a mo fa nkrofo so won siesie mo offices mamo no give us clean care products ena make am for the amamo na senyame yi wadom na anya bi na de di udwuma ewo boss no office wo de mobe eye office wonom wo de mobu fie e de twitwi wo nchansi emu a obehunu se asem a ye ka no enye tro supermarket bi e ben obi akwa so pe give us clean care product ni bi bronya ba nti o se esiesie ye mfie bronya ba o se ye mpoma mu ententan nyina ye tete ni esiesie ya nkasa ye ho nso ema bibia eye kama nti uduru supermarket wa also pe give us clean care product ni bi na wato oto a ebebo asiesie bibi e wo fie kama ama ho ato no afre wo 0501 556828 ne kura no wonso a wo pedodo atuo na wakwa akoton no buronya bere emuo no wonso fresh ahoma yi a ye beje oso na ya ma give us clean care product ni bi de adi si nkwada niema de adi si mpani niema ema ani tie de adi twitwi nchansi muo de ye disi ye didi pono so ema ye didi wi aye de hohoro yensa ema yensa eye hwam no give us clean care product no ebi wo mu no afre 0501 556 828 0501 556 828 na mede wensu epi wo so sanse so siesie fie na fie ye nika na so ye bema na se ugya fie kɔ na oba na se ebubu anichi a na kyese koko adokoro wo sisi no wuntumi nya dwuma sa de sene fata eti kopa give us call eye capsules NP capsules ni bi na no mbom na buro nya amanfo obetena fie sa de covid ba ya amanfo bebire nyinsen ye na bi kura no opanyinsen wotwen ya wanya enti buro nya beba no enafu aba ti se num ni nsia ne ade ye media dwuma ide bi wa kura ye timi chem enum ebi kura ye dudu wahuntu tena fie wo so otimi power na efie ye nika kopa give us co capsules NP capsules ni bi na tonom ba bia eye drugstore bi awo no uduru ho a obenya bi ato eboa yi usisi musra de bone eboa eyi ubema no enti no a agogogo no atenetene mu ama wanya ahoden na P capsules no so ade na ne akire ama abo adwuma sade ese na efata pharmacy shop bi abenya bi ato ewo ho drugstore bi anso benya bi ato no afre yen ewo 0501 556 828 0501 556 828 so yamu asia masa buro nya untumi nidi kopa give us co capsules na num P capsules ni bi ka ho na apese oboost immune system na udi dwuma sade sana fata buro nya yi a eye give us herbal mixture me de da bia me num tea kura me num guso sanse eboa siesie nipadua no e ma nkwamwa no wo mo adeda a wo sode esanso kutia atiri die ma wangasa wonum abonse malaria no entimi ntina nipadua num dafu aba akokora na ye num no se me de me de tua meti enso de ebia wontimi num ne saa akora mpo a sade ya twere wo ho no eye atere no miensa anopa miensa awia miensa numre no eno a ebetu malaria na se ama eko nipadua no mu a eboa kenya enkwamwa no sanse nimtri ewom ena kyese yesade akutukankan ene nnuaba bi ede afra eno eye akutia yade bia fra ye 0501 556 828 0501 556 828 ba bia to no bia no ubenya givers enu nwanwaso ahodo bi atowo ho na woton so asade medical aka no se wo frɛ saa number no a ye be kyerɛ okwan a befa so a wo benom no sansa sa wonum aduro da bia wo yade na wokoto aduro nom na aduro no wanya nsunsanso papa ewo ho a menua ba ma wamfa sika ntokora mpo a na nka eye nanso Dr. Solomon Kwabi enna dokotafo na dwumafo a ye di na kire no give us about mixture any give us no ahodo no eno a ne yenom na yanom no nso no na edi akagire mu boa nti da bia ye ho odene ya ye kɔ edwuma so ya enye adwene kura sɛ adwuma wure bebe yi adie frɛ ye 0501 556 828 nyame ama afe akɔ apra ba beto yen sɛ woni ahodene a da bia wo mpom ayemra kopɛ give us heba mixture na tonom na bɛboa ahyɛwma edi akagire mu untimi na numbi untimi nidi a numbi ebemu adidi amoa dayie na wonso buronyan ebetwam wo no na wonso waye fine pa 0501 556 828 0501 556 828.
Okay, Nana. Yeah, that's it for Papa. Have a great weekend. See you, God willing, next week. Check it out, yo. And made up Papa.
Champagne for
my very own.
I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend. Champagne for my pain. I day in my lane. Every day be my birthday. It be we did it. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we are. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we are. Body like a panda. The way she move it make a panda. Break it down, make it wiggle like a panda. I want to know what you make me in the corner. Bouncy, 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 baby. Bouncy, bouncy, ma. Bouncy, 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 baby. Bouncy, bouncy, ma. Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend. Champagne for my pain. I day in my lane. Every day be my birthday. It be we did it. Oh baby, you know we are.
Happy birthday. birthday to my beautiful, your malicious queen, Adwoa. My beautiful, your malicious Adwoa. The day is finally here, and Mema woda pa yami sure yami ntine ne mon sure yami onye wakoma so bisa de emfama oba pa. You know the love is deep, deepest. And indeed, this is the day the Lord has made. Rejoice and be glad, my sweet sister. Super fabulous, blessed birthday to you. Mido, enjoy your day. In fact, I feel grand ye beshe partner. So, happy birthday once again, Adwoa. I know you are watching, you're doing the listening right about now. Still advance because my your malicious, beautiful queen Estelle of the airwaves. If I Silva lady you too much, keep the good work up. It's awesome. Shout out to Peace and Love members, especially Nyami Keba, Vivian, Gifty, Laurentia, Benesse, Jabba for, and condolences to Bize and Angela. Still advance because celebration all the way by. Greetings going out to you, Anthony Ekusi, Yamin Shroud. Daila Ofeyo say, so please help me wish Mrs. Deborah Brusaki of Wilmore Christian Academy School, Temakom to 11, a blessed birthday. God bless your new age. So, me love you more. Master P, hi Miss Silva, and a blissful weekend to you and your team. I'm locked down to Aben has show live inside Kingsland with Angel Akosia Konedo Amwako. Happy Sunday, Yankoma Kofi Sam. Afe being so echo Ediama, Kofi Frimpon or London, Annabelle Oforiche or on a sister, Mary Amufa, or Dodona friend of Mama, or Mary here. Very champion of Ohio, USA. Guys, do have a lovely soul day. Way free Master P and China Air. But once again, going out to you, Stephen Atavia Faith, what a beautiful wife, and more anniversary. Congratulations and happy anniversary to you. You're listening to us from Temakom T9. Great, we are the greats. Every day, Yamin Shroud. Afai is watching us live from Ashaiman official town. So big ups to you and your team. Yamin Onshramo Papa. Onshramo Onso. Yeni Eso Bebre. Hello, Silva lady. I said, Naomi Minta. I'm doing the listening live from Ashaiman, Lebanon, old police station. Yami Onsha Naomi. Sanso Ena Fifi Bonnie. I say hi Silva lady, we thank God it's Friday. Greetings to you and your team from TM. Tema Ebushia, in fact, warrior guys. One day you away. Said when you WhatsApp. In fact, say you be shout out to TM for life. Man like a Bra Kofi. Sound Masters, Kofi Sound Masters. Aye. One day we see a funny salute to my name. Yankopo Onshramo. Any other form would say TM and Potemo any equipe crop on Obini Bacope. Champagne for my pain. And it was your farm more mountains on. Yes, I mean, Shamo. To all those celebrating your birthday today, man, like my very own darling boyfriend, yes, Suarez. Clemento Suarez. Clem, happy birthday. God bless you. We thank God for your life. Blessings again on you. 8th December, Fonina, Adwoa Papebia, Fedia. And it was your phone Kayena, Yamin Shramo Papa. Once again, want to take the opportunity to say
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
106.9 DLFM, home of legends and great music. Aben Hajumedi now, so I would say, if you just joined us, thank you. Baby, I drew your star guests and I know Eba Bekasa and your personality for the evening. And you know Eba Betri and Komo, and we have none other than our very own sister, musician, wife, mother. And in fact, friend to all. She is so lovely. She was born on a Monday, and Rebecca said she's based in the U.S., but mostly, as I said earlier, she rotates. Okoba no na nemua, nyami asemwa, nyami ejumana, odi nemua, o team bia enti enumre we team bia e na wabeduru ha e na ye ne no ba betwetwe enkomo our very own Nana Adwoa. We're getting up close and then I'm with Nana Adwoa. Born lady and Nana Adwoa Opoku. Oba pa kwaba.
Yeah, and
let's say.
Yes, so I don't know.
Pacho me ya nuya.
Yeah.
Baby aboko de.
Yeah,
go pardon me so me ho ye. It's good to have you.
Same here.
DL yema wa kwaba. Na enumere de yenkomo no edoso so enoso. Edoso so enoso because ye pese ye hu yie. Ye pese ye nim yie, ye pese ye to nka yie. I know say no cranny social media the man be the hu yie was the performance with your son.
Oh.
Yeah, yes. I think that it was the current song, no?
Yes.
And now you were performing.
Yes.
And a baby boy jumping on stage.
Yeah.
And Dr. Sonny Baduma on the microphone.
Right.
And yeah, so that video no has been circulating, and so I chanced on it to myself.
Oh.
And I think said no mama should share with you. And see, and we want to get to know you. Usually Friday evenings, no, yeah, in discovery seats. And see, omo yen said that ni momo no, ya do besi so na ye din komo. Ebi ye nimu so pa, but ye nim what you are really into.
Right.
Then we delve into it. Na ye hu ne ye. Nti enumere wo ba ya. Bibi sa na ebe koso. I hope so we are open to go.
Oh yes.
Beautiful. It was ya. Brother joining you on Facebook na be your sister Nana Adwoa enumere. Brother joining you sisi a na be your sister. Na your star guest a ye ne no edin ko be ne sisi a na ye ni enkomo. Nana wadaro ma. So how long have you been doing music?
I'll say altogether maybe 16, 17 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I started very young, but I
Okay.
didn't take it seriously. Should we do tree? or
Yeah,
English?
tree
Yeah,
pa.
sorry. Me started very young.
Okay.
But then na me share dance as and you told you BBI wo you feel. So now it was always part of me until when I grew up.
Who can say obey tree?
And it's me ni no. And I me who say and you told me my dear was say me me ye.
Okay.
And and I'm assembly the like I started getting serious.
And since America said and no one eduma wo ye no 247.
Me pacho, yes, for now pacho I, but
Okay.
I'm a pharmacy tag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And see, we pharmacist somehow.
No, pharmacy tag.
I know you're
more
there.
like an assistant to the pharmacist.
Okay.
Yeah.
And somehow we a pharmacist. Say see what.
Okay.
And see, we and not on the side.
Pacho I.
But we because we do man because we are full time no yeah music.
Music. Pacho
Okay.
I.
With family, how
Yeah.
does it go? Any difficult?
I'll say it takes grace to be able to do that.
Yami adom.
Nyame adom me won krami and son.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah, 2 boys and a girl.
You don't look it.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
That's it.
2 boys and a girl.
Pacho I.
Omo wa ha.
No more US.
Okay, omo ne papa e wo
Pacho
ho.
I.
Oh, okay. Inti wonko na obaye.
This time them in Kwana me buy.
Oh, okay. Ya uta ni omo ba.
There be a me and my husband a tie back.
Okay.
Because of school, see.
Okay.
Time for my
Omo mba. But this time around daddy and baby.
Pacho there be.
Oh, okay. Okay. Inti this time around na wo ba ye ya wo ja omo ho e bi ni o. Djuma ne say no. How do you combine all the tasks no?
Well, me di kind me say na nyame adom nyame ma ya hoden to be able to do it. And also nyankopon share me with a very understanding husband and a very supportive one as well. Oti ejuma na say.
Okay.
It's he allows me to do what I have to do.
Okay.
With them is so chino.
Yeah, but what
Yeah,
more
that's
dey nti
right.
we treat describe the pa.
Pache. It's no se say BB say me back for programs. It's
Okay.
no a train which you know take you off from a dream no na hwen na me metimi so abeyi nyame
juma no. Oh, okay. So no one knows so mua kakra with Enquires. Oh, beautiful. And so we'll be waha for the whole of the month, and I saw be saying Jane.
Mpasho Debbie. My oldest son will be turning 10, so I have to be there for.
Also, but now Odi kind.
I'll be D10 on the 20th. I think team percent may call back quickly. Say they be meeting me and then I could do Aodano. Odi na Oda, one person on Kobe dia Aodano. Debbie, yes, some would do better.
I see. Odo betro ese won. Nje so okona okodi birthday ni bi. Yes, asemo aba. Okay. Then there this time around no yembisa say enwom na wo ye no. Albums and now but because a lot of the songs now mean say what to ye renditions we ye one kasa wo albums e wo ho
me pa chai
dodo saying
well maybe 2 albums and 4 singles out pa chai but the entire encophoning renditions no more no because during the COVID time, that was all the me I kept doing that, and that it kept people, engaged and all of that. So it could me for no
renditions be brain
no, but me and me woman 2 albums, my journal and Insura. And then for my singles, Eriba, I'm blessed. What's the other? Shedding. And then
Nina wo online and I said Nina. Oh, ye pay ye busy sending because ye bar I say renditions now the one eba. And how do we get your original songs no?
Well, old type. It's on all the digital platforms. Old type in Adwoa, it will pop up.
And see ye born Adwoa. When you say ye born Adwoa, ye born I am blessed now. And no de be ye ba I don't know, say be no current one I will promote soon tia. Okay. But you born another na boss shedding na and no be yaba. Okay. And na dey Eriba
so be yaba and
insurance so ho no mo DJ dey here na wo ma misisi a insura. And that way no release no da ben.
Oh, 20 That was 2016. Sorry.
2016.
Yes.
A single now release it.
Should there be way coming
albums no ho. Okay. I know your album there hin so na wo.
I know my journal album.
Oh, okay. I know na your nyum do saying there was so. 7. And that Insurano ka ho. Oh, beautiful. And on the video were out.
Me patch my official video by me live performances, so that's what's out.
Oh, video. Okay. And the young insurance be na inumre na ye hiansha me amansha say me ankaza me hia double insurance enti ende na why insurance kakra de amaye ho aha ene na Adwoa anene enumre ye star guest on our personality seats.
Yes, my Enquires. DLFM. Yes, what do not see, my Enquires. It's DLFM 106.9. My yes, what do not see, my
Nana Yamishra. In fact, I remember one my Yayin so I'm packed. Yes, was a nunti. Yayin Shirama. And see, we know, Patrol, Nanasa will call all digital platforms at Ubenya in Shira by Adwoa. Now on Swab Modiako Toby. Now what say be? Now why yen Shira Eddie Amobin. Na yanku yendi yankomo yendi nkomo kakranko yeni you see ano singles na we you know keka album abeye album anase eno so sisi ase dia trend ne kona anti na we bisa.
Oh well, I think say singles na ye better now than say albums. Say in my opinion, yeah. I think that it gives you time to write more songs.
Okay.
To bring out the best.
Okay.
And then every single song you release it bias, the time and it breathe on its own.
Okay.
So
see ano yes singles na.
Yes singles na pacha.
Oh, okay. Yeah, one outro wade.
Me pacha Debbie, my husband and
wow.
I may Seminya Bibia, I may explain it. No, actually, and also in Kofosu Trobi Mami.
Okay.
Bit to say Pastor Kwame Jedu.
Okay.
And Papa Ora.
Okay.
Brother.
Oh, Papa Ora.
Yes.
Shout out Papa Ora. Now, in fact, shout out to your husband. Patrociano.
Oh, Mr. Nimo.
Oh.
My
shout out to you, Daddy.
Shout out to you.
So what Tron you my nuabano. And in Shirano, Daddy Netroye, and now why Netroye?
Inshura was Papora.
Papora Netroye. Okay. Shout out to a songwriters, non composers, Nina. And remember, shout out to Mr. Nimo, our daddy and Papora. I mean, Shramo Papa. Yes, she said, Siciano, I am blessed. And I hear Juma, baby, and I am blessed. And I ain't mean Koyanim. Na ye mate for quite for Becca Kumi and Ubin Samo Baba, my who joining you on social media, and I'm the hen who fair. And so who's a Humbrasi any time. But Ayana say, and Kawutu Kwaya, and pain be brina, no, you say, hosu ene ho ban no ebi ba be show mu accent no asesa ne ade nti na afi na ahomaso aba ada wo no ebi anka o fever ne bi anche
me pacho there
fever bi anche
pacho there
fever na ancho
pacho
yare ne bi ambo ana enye no kre
I don't think so.
See okay yare ne bi ambo Efanchen. Matthias and enumere say obi 8 ye na opesonya I am blessed. But my platforms na ye benya no. Enti ansa na obe perform I am blessed ama ye na ye activity alliance no. Wa pick your phone no. Na baby a ocheche ye no hwe baby a obetimi aboewura. Na won so aboa. This is a way ye dey promote ye de. Ye dey support ye de. This is the way yes, you bet me ama ye de akwa aye this is one important way I bet me aton nwum ni bi na ma ono so etimi aye dodo na e de aba yes Ghana ye nkwa ekire ye support ye ho. These are some of the ways I dey support nti dana ye no sisi a wo ho
pacho platforms are obenya enyum way oko YouTube now type it official Nana Adwoa it will pop up I'm blessed ebeba Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, CD Baby. And me bought Nana Adwoa na eyaba Nana Adwoa songs. Okay. And Nana Adwoa songs no ena me aso. Okay, me nya ereba wa ha. Yes. Okay, me hu sheden so ewa ha. Ena me hu hottest highlife session. Nana Adwoa da so ha. Se fired up encounter. I would them were unforgettable moment with Nana Adwoa and so they Nana just who renew. Enti sisi ano wo ba na wa bo I am blessed no. Patron.
Aha. And I say eyi ma wa I am blessed no etwa so. Na wa boy no ohun. You can download it from there.
Yes, please.
You can stream right away.
Yes, please.
You can watch it.
Yes, please.
Ne video no doso. Enti official one no out ana.
Patron.
Okay. Enti eno nso wo ba eno abeyi aba.
Me patron.
Okay. Enti ye bo Nana Adwoa songs and I said Nana Adwoa I am blessed. Okay. Eyaba. Eno anka say yaba official music video with over 41k views. All right. Beautiful. Enti eno ano no ko YouTuber patcho me ama ye me de enti won so ko sisi a wo de ko sisi a ko stream sisi a wo ko YouTube account mu na wo ba eno abeyi aba Nana Adwoa I'm blessed official music video na wetimi aboa promote ye nua no share on your status on your social media platforms no Facebook na wa share bi me ameka ma asem o share ndi aduane we ndi aduane ana me wa sister na wo de aboa onua yen no the latest banger from the camp Nana Adwoa. DJ rewind, let's roll.
I may yet be on a yes, you are boy, yes, you my problem, you don't see dear, as soon as the animal, me and Shirapa, or being to mix it, son of I am the apple of his eyes, the need call me more, what Shirami, and I am I am the apple of his eyes, the need call me more, what Shirami, and I am. And brother Shirana, where Shira, only one to make Sisanya, Yajane, woman, whoa. Nana Yami Shira, wonder where Shira, only one to make Sisanya, Yajane, woman, whoa. Mrs. Sawa Shira, wonder where Shira, only one to make Sisanya, Yajane, woman, whoa. It's my glorious reveal. I'm riding on the wheels of miracles. I'm swimming in a pool of blessings. Me and Shirapa, I'll be to Mrs. Sandata and Shira. And Yamin, you may be oh, and Yamin, Martin Pompeo, and Shira and Shira. Yamin, Yachami. I am the apple of his eye. We call me home. I am the apple of his eyes. Then he called me home. And see your other Shira, no Shira. When he wants to raise his son, I'm yachting. When he wants to raise his son, I'm yachting.
DLFM 106.9.
Wow, this is sweet, sweet, sweetest.
DLFM.
I'm made like a palm tree. I'm never out of season.
And yet to emphasize, see, I know a year to numna, yen to no more abrofu semu, Obia, can drink. Also, what drink the same. Yet to abrofu numuno, to say that yet we infuse see and now in bed day. Oh, right. Brofu no fair mono, and on a day and you no quite ana.
Oh, I think, sir, it just depends. Okay, so let's say, okay, let me not go there. I see where this is going. But anyways, main kase and no nedin a question and I say no na ebia man in question.
Okay.
Ebia be question regardless.
Okay.
Yes, please.
So was say kwa o de won say e be kwachi regardless. And fa hone kasa no. Because ye wo enwum bi wo hono mo a enye Ghana kasa.
Right.
But ye to wo Ghana ha. Ye so wo Ghana ha. Ye ni je ho e wo Ghana ha. Nti enye kasa no.
Enye kasa
no. Okay. Enye language. Do and also ka ho. But o de won say enye no nko a.
Enye no nko a. Eno ne de e ka ho. Say English is more like the common denominator right now. So, if you say, "Oh, the you are able to reach,
larger audience.
And it's not main Tnahanka said we do the music because we want more following or whatnot. It's the lives that's gonna touch out there. So if you see yourself as someone you've been called to the world.
Brofo no ya doso someone who can so we do
so who say ya frel for we are singing oh yeah wonyom ne adia I think say nka fa brofo kakra den faka ho
okay
yeah if you feel say ya frel for the local assembly I think you should just stay in your lane. And there's nothing wrong with it. Because it's such it's all needed. It all comes together to make it a whole. Yes.
Yeah, that's no what drink. And Miniaba, see you at the chatty business summit and that all pass it through and no bitch yeah, be waving me because we have a talk Yampa next week. Oba Hofe. Hey, Hofe. I want to do Safwa. I want to do
Safwa today.
But I am a next week.
No, man, we date.
But I want to take your opinion. Ewo nana and Jono eso. Insura so what's insura? What's insura? No, I'm blessed. No, I'm blessed. That is the latest. Or the Abba. Edu so the old baby out. Edu. Hey. And what's your take? What's your take on Uniabano?
Okay, from my perspective to Adwoa, I think if she really want to do music, or you're too down. You see, the game of entertainment doesn't work like that. Bashomote.
The
game of entertainment and yeah, Juma Sanana. We amra ebia ufie woma ukuno. It's fine. But like said in Yankopon Kao Bible muno, or say from the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of heaven suffered violence, and the violent take it by force. Until you need more energy if you want to be in the game of music like you are. Because listening to this song and so many songs I've listened to, this is far better. But when we say when you're too down and you're not pushing the music, or being in Ghana, yes, or America, America, bro, now can good. In Ghana, here, no, they are exactly. So, like, Silva is big in the country. So, using the platform, you must give us that energy and drive that people will listen to you. That's how it works. But say, if you are no, honey and pesa, your music, me, I said you're watching them a day, and now you were singing not a cool me, Someone asked you an intelligent question, said. Share Ghana music, no, now, Brofone corner. Was to say, cool, many and Tia but we are you are the living God, and Tias, you are better to us. 18 I love your humility, so good that energy and drive in it. What I say, and I will bounce so Takashi, like big programs, get your management who are go that can put you on, even if it's for free. What's the American, you have money, until you don't care about anything, you understand? That's it.
Thank you.
It will be everything for you.
Yeah, that's it. Obapa Edu Safwa.
Next week, you better chatty business summit.
Chatty business summit. You better na babe domosko. We juma be brace. See, you are confusing some of us.
No, I've not confused anybody. Who's a media and who's scanning? It's me a chatty business summit. Say no. Some sponsor mama 10K. Ubeji venue, ubeji sound, ubeji na says kanasa. After media, and I go to fight my businesses.
And no, make us confuse some of us. No,
exactly.
A business, no, after the door, so into was say no, until I'm passing this uncle. Lay in the back, and how you are doing all of them.
Business now because you can't maintain or bar. Sabe, o boy be who could be unsupported with scar. And how no one year near my be businesses and how you can maintain because it's a whole lot. Of course, because me means you know me double tasking.
Okay.
And I can do a lot in a day. Once my life, anybody who knows me, me a loud outside. I'm a very quiet person personally. Me
inside
at a time.
Okay.
I focus on myself. Me, I don't have time for. Who says social media, see where because unless I'm tagged or I see it, fine. But every 24 hours of my life, I'm planning my games, how I want to put it together. Because there are people in the world who are old and doing extraordinary. We are young, we can do extraordinary too.
Okay.
80 minutes, and so because you're doing 2 things, you can do 20 things in a day. It depends on how you schedule your time. Because 24 hours is too long. Maybe I said to achieve anything you want to achieve.
Okay.
It's me media because that's the game I'm in it. I have to be recognized, celebrated, remembered every day for something. But about business or media, me cement, me liquid soap, me money. That's why I fight to make my money.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
beba be di no ho nkomo akasa. Ya beba be ye no ho adwuma akasa yame pa next week. And it's funny ahwefo entwen yen yame pa next week na. Edu Safa is our special guest. God willing next week. Your personality guest next week. Or no Anna and yene no ehyiemu wa ha say ye no betwa ase o say we hu date no enti emfa ho eno de wo besanya ba mo ma ye de yen komo ya me nhyira pa o hu so de glowing always.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Unsa media no catch me cousin no poisa de enya eba media bo apensa wo hwe ho so ye. Your body, your skin, o ko be bia o makeup, I say bia wo se wo de agro na wo di. Yes, but wo pesa wo ye media ne pa. You are concerned. Nana,
and ye agro.
Oh no, I'm not talking. Why you are in the
me come a mubinum.
No.
Me come a mubinum.
So far you have you have a brand.
Okay.
Who you cool type no? Unse obiane said your yes, but you see the game of entertainment doesn't need cool. What is Nigeria for the life? You understand? Usha Iniedo, no Uche, Rita, everybody is on fire. Not because they are who you know who you were who, but the more you push it, the more you sin. That's the game.
But me say, it's how you want to play your game. Yes, because Obian in the lane. Opesa Odimu.
Lane, no me can be chair, mama say, Nana say, Silva.
You go your
but you
cool
see,
side.
Entertainment is a fire game. You understand? So there must be some things that should differentiate you when your brand is mentioned. So when I meet people, I do talk about, after talking about myself, one person I talk about is Nana Mama Brown. People don't understand why. You see, and yet game as a media men payment once them, me na men koye no bin koka. As a we entertainment perfect with school, one could jam machine in my better than your nabo. So when you are in the media, you are like entertainment to the world. So when you dial your game, people don't want to watch you. They want to go and watch who is fire. Fire doesn't mean you are making noise, but there should be something special about you every day that people want to watch. And see, Silva, you on DLFM. DL is big. There must be some things about Silva. Anyway, now me connect social media platforms. I did love to see. It's the game is a whole ball game. Me from my phone. I am not somebody who care about the obi and the obi Me know when I pick up my phone, anybody doing extraordinary, I watch them. What are they doing different? And I add it to mine. Because at the end of the day, I say, Ubedu Kotoka International Airport, now who took kind. Now, your phone was saying, Pachona will tackle. Almost several airports, you know. Omujina airport, Omojo passport, your phone was saying.
Immigration officers.
No. You performing in our bomb. Robert said, who are you? Every two one, Every two Silva, maybe say it to that call. Or maybe say, who are you? But you see, when they mention your name, it gives you some joy. Oh, Saturday, because I'm called 50% sexual bag. But Obo would ya, Bema Meboa, Obo would ya, and Mawa would toss Swobi, and Ma when need J.
I kind of think that's how your personality is. What you.
Nana Kasagu Mike ni mama
that's who you are. Okay. Some people are. I respect what you just told. You're not the only person saying that. My husband even tells me, it's like, babe, you gotta. Come on.
That's how you should have been. Now, I was a Wakasa interview name.
Okay.
So,
no, there be no Kasa. I think she was on bed. You listen.
Hey. She wasn't on.
So you see entertainment.
So you see, when we mention entertainment, I dare to differ. I stand to be corrected. When we say entertainment, Nanajwa is not here to entertain. Okay. I'm here to touch lives, to make an impact.
So when you are touching my love, what are you doing? I have to be happy.
I'm not entertaining.
I have to be sad.
No, not to be sad.
Nana, so we are concert to be a Wisconsin. Not me better see. Do you hear program?
Nana performance no. Yeah, mommy.
Me better say me better see. And you only the program be John. Ensure, I'll go home.
That's not who I am, though. So when I'm in my element, I do.
So that's the element is the element is a game of
when
entertainment.
You see, this woman, I'm meeting her for the very first time.
Yes, Silva. She's amazing.
Yeah, amazing. From the way she's speaking, and wherever you go, you have to give honor to whom honor is due.
That's true.
Okay.
No.
She's probably way older than I am. I don't know her. I don't know her age. Probably my age. I don't know.
Yeah.
But wherever I go, I want to show that respect. That's not me faking it. That's just who I am. Until I get very comfortable and you make it very.
Oh, Nana. Inka tree, inka what to make
create this atmosphere where we can. You see how you came off. Now I'm kind of stepping up, coming on your level. You feel me? When she came off, she was very Nana to say nyamiadum, you know, that kind of. So it's a way of communication.
Okay, and definitely no. Obia on the fire side no.
Yeah.
And Obia on the quiet side no. Wo said the year jo no and ebema won so what responded to the person or responded to. I into Obaya no. See Obaya no na may the kind of loud na enka ebianka question ko maybe sa no ko be ma na keka nsem bia.
When him say Silva, there are a lot of people that you tune into radio to money and not watching the radio no.
Sound.
What say the artiste no kasankwa ne raho. But whether we raho or na who, the world is receiving your energy.
Okay.
Oh, I said, all kind of much or outside. And we are sitting, me feel say be yo to do radio no. But when the person give you that drive, be ye to so you see, it is not about being loud,
Right.
but it's the energy you give out. And now it's here.
Do I need that?
Silva next week, you make a chatty
business summit.
And unim the only different, they are different from this summit. We are not bringing any personality to speak to anybody.
Okay.
Everyone in the conference is a speaker.
Wow.
Yes. And you know, that's the only, they are different what chatty business summit. You know,
wow.
On the 16th of December. Or the next week, maybe there. But I would tell me from a number 0244 02 606. Now WhatsApp me 0244 02 606 for the chatty business summit.
Okay.
May see no personality. Everyone in the conference is a speaker.
Wow.
And here the topic to border. When you need to this summit in the bar and a conference, no, we are seeing on the people you least expect. As some of the culture will change your life forever.
And they're not correct.
My experience be brave. I'm doing something in 2024. I can't make my dream me team no. None near Markesia Kasian Kwana make. It took one blogger faceless blogger who came to my DM and said, "What are you doing 24?" So this is what I've planned. Do it this way, this way, this way. Sen can I spend 2 CDs and the panic say we now 50%.
Now we'll use
no, now 1 person pen I was saying
use.
And we are doing the summit because our journey will need to be and someone
yes, in Penny saying young son ni back for trim.
And we are moving from the
BR speaker,
not theoretical stories. I was in school, I was disciplined. We don't need it. We need that youth and business. The old face, you know, me catch na Adwoa can de ache me. Me de come book
yeah.
Na me de akobo me bra.
Beautiful.
So that's the difference of chatty business.
Wow,
summit.
chatty business summit. Yeah. Wow, chatty business summit.
I want to come to you and learn a lot of things.
No, we are friends already. Me, Bisa Silva. Obi Adri Limited. Everyone is my friend.
I love your energy. I need to pick up some few things.
No, we
tips.
We
tips.
Yeah.
No, they are lie. Management no cry oba have between aka management no in fact me akasa cry me man dey
adolescent here beko
their business there your video now you ready. Let's go and watch Adwoa Patron. Join us on Facebook and come on now and of course we're starting your weekend well and right for you Abewa Drive so yenko DL106.9 Facebook page no so sisia Oba na wa share ede amayen yenko DL 106.9 page na so na video na you ready bra ko fi de yen eko yenko hwe performance ni bi na yen bra.
Where can I invite Ava on stage? Where's my beautiful Ava? Come on, Ava. Ladies and gentlemen, a rising star. Her name is Ava. That's for me. Ready?
DLFM 106.9.
I am the apple of his eye.
DLFM 106.9.
Now let's welcome
Papa no.
Zekiah. Ready for fun?
And I say no Kofi jina ho. I na me de twe me no. Nana I say no eye wo ba.
Me pa chai.
We wo ba de here.
Me second born.
Okay. And then a piano ma first performance no.
Pa chai.
A piano man e oba stage.
Well, no oni or papa ni nuanum tina from one or more sa. Enti ono or wakanda say that's his favorite song. It's in newly by and me. I didn't even know Sena was Sianesa. It's the day of the concert. No me who saw Sano to be. Say one said Yamu Edu, I am the apple of it.
Because now what dream in so.
My dream in so. It's a full stage in our pen at Dr. Badu. At the mic Shirley say any way.
The performance. This was actually a beautiful sight to behold. Like as a mother, was you gumi? As a mother, pa na wujina stage na oba. Not the away, no like. Oh, I mean, join us on Facebook. Na beshe ye bano said ye or nene mame performing on stage. Kofi yensa yenkobi mwadarama.
Where can I?
Yen twaso yen ko ye ni me pese ye ko ye ba na honom na yen konkoduru honom. Enti patcho join us. Wo de wunya mba ya bra be join ye frefrem mo mbra. Na eduru ho a me pese wo be mesi out enti eduru ho a na wetimi ahwe bi. DLFM 106.9. O de join yen sisi a wo Facebook, wo YouTube, wo betimi aba live. Facebook, YouTube, join us live. Na enkunja me pesa wo be miss out. Ewo baby a ye ba. Oh, akora no. How old is he? 7 years. Wow. 7 years. Na 7 years na ne mama perform ya eye ne fenwum ne ye ne dama a piano and ho na watati solo.
Oh yeah.
Oh, watati solo ho na. I am blessed. Obo. DL 106.9. Pacha, join us on Facebook, join us on YouTube.
DLFM 106.9.
Zekiah. Ready for fun?
Zekiah is on stage now. Watching the microphone. Let's see what's gonna happen. On the mommy chitu,
Handsome boy.
Yeah, very handsome. Minister Zekiah on stage.
I made like a palm tree.
Wow.
I've never had a Caesar. Me and the FBI, I she rawo yes, Timo, Papa, Yata City, and Shane, Dini, Moyamo. Yes, she rapa, a bit to listen, son of God.
DLFM 106.
I am the apple of his eye. Nico, me, whoa. But surely I find
akorabia. Me nya sure say wo no Ghana ha say. One wo no Ghana ha say. Na tree na wo ne kan wo fie.
Pacha ye ne omo ka tree
E wo fie. Okay. Ape performance na nkasa eto aso. Eto aso di amaye. Ebi ayi wa be ka Zakaya de na ebi wa be ka ne bi.
I'm made like a palm tree. I'm never out of season. Adia me ye piano yeshira wa yesudi. My bravo ya dance dear. Eshani di any monyamo.
DLFM 106.9.
I am the
was so did I say horror? I have said the tutu no. I had the tutu no.
I am the apple of his eyes. They call me home. Washira me amanaya. And see around the Shira, one hour Shira. When he pants to miss the sun, I'm imagining. I am made like a shining star. Be straight free and tree. Esumakara, my glory is revealed. I'm riding on the wheels of miracles. I'm swimming in a pool of blessings. Me and Shirapa, or be to miss the son of Jah and Shirah.
Nanajua ene yeba no yeba Zakaya na chese omu gine mu dendenden was stage so no na I wish say nke tiefo ne ahwefo mo tin komo na na ekọ etire wa ekoso etire ha say no I wish you listened that you were part of us but nana said ye na ye ka no enwum we die e was so to me yes we adwuma ma ne ko because this is one of the powerful songs that would aba nti wadaroma we die we so dey kan ye na ya asem de mayen ai nti e was so bombodin ya e man e timeko yes yem fancy ha on e ma etiefo yes some few minutes be na chese yem fan ko na yem peja yemu the time na so yankopon yaduma next week yenu aba edusafo afela na o ma ye no ye ba beje more next week ye beje more ye dey announce edu wo bibia obeka finally e wo ye yenu aba any performance ya ye share ye eso
ninyum no is so good enyum na de ekakuma enti no I think I value through you say omakwan nyame adom we know what media is, what makes media enti no I can through you I can play that role and help it, push it back bloggers, facelift bloggers, etc. for it to go.
Okay. God bless you. God bless you. And Yameti from Brasso, and you know I'm blessed. That's the title of the song. I'm blessed. 0593406565. Let's see, you know, also it's all saying they now person catch you near banana draw anywhere na in fact common in see 0593406565 and 0534050199 0534050199. Na ye kan say no na wadaro ma wo ma ye contact us e bi obi pese ondo to na dwumedie bi so ana so obi pese invite wa said you betimi enya ho kwan ya betimi enya no wo de no so atoso man
Pacho say call social media Instagram official Nana Adwoa, on Facebook Nana Adwoa Nimo, and on my YouTube as official Nana Adwoa. Well, if you say reach me WhatsApp number plus 678-974-9150. My US number 678-974-9150.
Okay. Me pacho din baby akasa de free order. Papa no.
Good evening.
Good evening, sweetheart. Yeti o Nana Adwoa so ti o.
Pastor Nana Adwoa de baby aye tie ni nyum.
Ya misra mo. I see. Ya misra. Ya misra. Papa no. Amen. Ya misra on so do. And so yeah, that's it. Eba na kwento so the anyone Amax Global Link Limited. Amax say yeah, but more than the way to Quine. Amax say Eba no flight reservations and sales. You be the amount. And so na hotel reservations and sales. You be the amount. General travel advice. Nina you be their support. So work visa assistance, study visa assistance. Amax Global Link. They are kwento there. And one your number one trusted travel agency. Amax Global Link. Uko UK. Uko na Nadra ho. Ana USA. UK. Australia. New Zealand. Germany, Brazil, and Mexico. Emubia. Bomodiana only Amax Global Link Limited and Casa Enumri. Promo 0535 502499. 0535 502499. 0504 203401. It was DL 106.9. I bet what drive near there's some more. Exactly, having to 6 p.m. Hey, it's your time to call. Yeah, they to us by classicals from the living legend that the Lumba and the Adema. And that the new man a when they jump that the new man a when they jump and then me my DJ Afibam Boma Sisia na and you there him the title the to kakra na wo kai no so wo kai side baby to kakra na edu safwa we enya wo de na mebisa o na adwa de na mebisa e de asem kra ni
Missy wine na chidi dasa
o me edu safwa ba beje woni
na ni ba besia ana obenyi na ba baby o amwa be your brim pon white Lumba is a go for the Lumba o and then you more there and there that's about to Ethiopia and na Ghana had the bobra
hey and ya some credit Aben de Ethiopia
and you had the bobra with man
hey and the Enquiries your name na fe yemfa Ethiopia yemfa ma no oh
there be bo Usa African and Okopi Obi man so na nyame adom she's a star around the world into bo menenam basa no nyina
eno na yembo ma no
sena no nyame ani wo me so anti ye meni na so na me saka adom rade mi abafia me se wana jidi dasa nani ba besia ama be nyina ma ba bia wo Mwa be your brim pon white. That's the song.
Minyamie, Edientina, my bossasa, Amesa, people when you see
DLFM.
Edientina, my bossasa, Mama, people when you see Minyamie, Edientina, my bossasa, Amesa, people when you see
I see great performance there. KG, Kevichia when me donya me on cow hon happy so day. Kojo Sugar Junior, I see the tree is treeing. And the Rose Champ say I love the video. Yeah, a mommy and son video it was so beautiful, it was touching. And so and now Hannah did you mediani na be say Yakopon ya domo a Jordan you be sign anyway share weekend the activities ne do so pacho modern ya na show ho so ye emu akone abade nyina no be very careful, be very safe. What a car mo drivers are modern ye nam kwan so madaro ma monya ye mon krakra ye nkakran na mon fa ye nkomra so mdwe mo ko dwom na kwa kodi dwa ya hwe ye wonam anadwo ahwe bebi a wonam no so ye boni enso adoso ni papa nso wo mu no pacho ni na emu no ye ahwe yie na ma wani nso ada hono mo fama na ye ni enko wo no Yamport na Rhythms of Africa with Dr. Sonny Badu ebekoso enumre and of course anopa menu aba Sokohima Kukua Sokohima Kuku of Rainbow Radio Yamport na ena otoneba edin the baby boy no yamepa ochna ena cooks eto ye babema no edin. Congratulations, Sekia. Once again, Yankopon and Shira, Onka Woni Bushini na ehon. Meya domo, you be short na no National Yene, we baby, come, Mr. and Mrs. Adepa, Mr. and Mrs. Adepeje, Yankopon Yadumoch, na Church of Pentecost, Emmanuel Assembly, so to Emmanuel Assembly. Congratulations once again, Sisi. God bless you. Remember, Dr. Sonny Badu Sunday, or Heniba Clement, the Jumedie Ebekoso. Worship with Ohinba Clement because so Glorious Word and Power Ministries. I say also for also been sorry Odoko Buzia Junction. Odoko Buzia Junction. Ohinba Clement. Eton sa dia afraid for na sound so na Sunday na numre na a minister Sisi Chum and so the program Gold Worship.
I'm coming to be
as a woody, we hear ticket to draw how be room until we the problem will be room simple. Unfortunately, Sunday, a gold worship with Sisi Chum, a same charismatic evangelistic ministry, a North Legon. May the pillar of clouds go before us each and every single day, the pillar of fire guide us at night. May the good Lord make his face shine on you, and may he give you peace. DJ Afiba is our DJ, order the classicals from living legend that the Lumba Adwoa Swamao. Kofi T, any producer, IT person, social media IT person, or the ain't too more Kofi Taylor. No, it's not so edgy. I hope I share out for Eddie Mine. I'm at the Silva Lady SL. I'm live on the air Monday through to Friday, 3 p.m. So till 7 p.m. DJ Hitsman. And the theater was so about so Eddie Amman. Have an amazing weekend, a relaxing one, and remember, you're so loved.